Have you ever wondered why leaders online can go out and it seems like they make sales effortlessly while everybody else struggles? Well, there's a reason for that, and it's because most leaders online understand the power of the pre-sell. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a couple concepts that can help you go out there and pre-sell your audience so that you can make more sales. So stick around. All right, well, my name is Mark Harbert, and if this is the first time that you've been on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure you don't miss any of them. So pre-selling, it is a huge, huge deal and it makes all the difference. Pre-selling is used with all kinds of corporations and businesses out there, whether it be in the home business space or the online marketing space. It is a concept that is used over and over and over again. Let me give you an example. Have you ever watched the Mission Impossible movies? Now, with Tom Cruise, I love the Mission Impossible movies, but if you notice, especially over the last couple of years as online streaming has become very, very popular, what happens is when a new movie comes out at the theater, about a month or two prior to it coming out, you'll notice on places like Prime and maybe even Netflix or maybe Apple movies or wherever it may be, that all the previous movies start showing up in the search results. And it's partially because what the movie companies want you to do is they want you to go in and watch these movies again, even though you may have seen them, and to get all pumped up and ready for the movie at the theater. What they're doing is essentially pre-selling you on the concept of going to the theater and watching the movie. There's a reason behind everything. That's why when a movie is about to get released, you'll start seeing it in the search results of a lot of online streaming companies. It's just one example. Like, you know, a year or two ago, I'm a huge Rambo fan. I love the Rambo movies.
Are you listening? Who are you? Your worst nightmare.
So the last Rambo came out. Guess what happened a month or two prior to that movie coming out? I started seeing all the other Rambo movies. They started showing up in all my search results. It's because they were starting to pre-sell me on going to see the movie. So realistically, how do you make this happen in your business? If you know that you have a product that you want to sell, one of the best ways to do it is rather than just going out there and blatantly pitching the product without giving them any context or any reason why, you could create a series of content videos or content blog posts or any type of content really that begins to talk about that topic. So for instance, if you have a piece of software that goes out and it allows you to schedule posts on social media, and you want to promote that to your audience, instead of just saying, hey, this is a great poster, go buy it, here's my link. Instead of doing that, create an awesome video, 2 or 3, that begin the process of pre-selling the power of social media, why posting frequently is so important. And then, of course, starting to get into scheduling your posts so that you can free up time. And then what you've done is you've essentially pre-sold people and conditioned them to think, wow, the next logical step is, yes, I want to free up my time and I do need a poster. This is just one example. You could do this with all kinds of things. So if you're selling vitamins or supplements, you could do the exact same thing. Start talking about nutrition. Talk about how nutrition is important. Start talking about specific types of things you want to get into your diet every day. And then maybe in the 3rd or 4th video, you begin to talk about why just eating enough fruits and vegetables is not enough to get the nutrition that you need. So you've already pre-sold them on why eating good is important, why eating their fruits and vegetables is important. But then you talk about because of soil depletion and the other things like that, you're not getting the nutrients that you need in your food. This is where supplementation comes in and why it's important. Guys, this is something that has been used over and over and over again in the marketing world, not just in our space, but everything. If you look out there and you just pay attention to what's going on in the world and you see how certain things are sold, pre-selling is huge. This is why Apple is so successful too. They do their big events. They do their big events where they announce all these things coming up. They just recently did one. Because coming in September, and it's every September, Apple drops their biggest updates, but they create buzz throughout the year, pre-selling people and getting them excited about the new iPhone or, the new application that's coming on their computer or their laptop. This is all pre-selling. If you want to sell more stuff, learn to pre-sell. Learn to condition your audience prior to promoting something, why something is important. I'm telling you, you will get better results. So, do you know some other ways to pre-sell? If you do me a favor, if you're on YouTube, comment below. Let me know. What are some other things that you do or that you know about pre-selling that could really help people sell more stuff? All right? Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.